Okay, guys, I am blown away. I just got this box. I don't know, maybe you can tell from like my expression that I'm just like, what is in here? So if you want to find out who sent me this box and what is in here, I'm very curious to know. It's a true unboxing. I have no idea what's in here. Then please watch on. I'm gonna go full on geek mode in a second so I can see what I'm doing. But before that, I just want to tell a story because I got this box the other day. I'm trying to cover my address and her address. But my daughter comes in the room and she goes, "Mommy, there's a box for you," and she just like unceremoniously hands it to me. And I have serious senior moments, so I was like, that must be for Daddy. My husband has an Amazon addiction. There's packages almost daily. So yeah, he has a problem. So I just said to her, that must be for Daddy. And she said, no, it's for you. So I took it and I looked at it. And then I realized what it was or who it was from. And I got really excited. So, but she says to me, should I go get you some scissors with that? Like she knew I was going to send her for scissors because, you know, I would have sent her for scissors. But I was like, well, no, because I want to take myself opening this. I can do an unboxing. And this sassy little 8-year-old, she's not sassy, but every once in a while she's full of attitude. So this little 8-year-old did the most dramatic eye roll, like, really? You're going to tape yourself opening this box? And you know what? I was like, hell yeah, go away. So she did. But anyway, I'm rambling and I'm rambling. This is from the lovely Deborah with Drelux TV. I know she'd been tagging us, me, and a bunch of people like Wilma Kayson, Windfire 69K. I'm not sure who else. But I know she'd been tagging us that something was coming on Instagram, and I was like, oh, okay. And then senior moment kicked in and I completely forgot about it. So it's here, and it's been here for about a day, but I couldn't film, and today I'm filming, so I'm really excited. So geek mode, here we go. So geek mode, here we go. Look at this. It looks really good. It's fancy. I have fancy friends on YouTube. I just want to say that I've met some really lovely people here on YouTube before I get into the box, and I've been touched by people's generosity. Now, I've done it in the past where I've either done a giveaway or I've sent someone a surprise box, but I've never actually had someone do it for me, so I'm really like touched. Thank you so much, Deborah. I can't wait to see what's in here. So I'm going to start off by opening the note. There's a note. Let's see. Yep. Old lady. Senior moment. Drelux TV, everyday luxury, everyday experiences. She has her own cards. Isn't that amazing? It's her own tissue, too. I'm like, I have fancy friends now. To my partner, collaborator, influencer, girl, I can't thank you enough. You have inspired me so much, and I'm so blessed to have been touched by your magic and beauty. This small little token to thank you for something. I hope you like it. I hope you like it and use that with that Chanel GST Forever bag. Navi, cannot wait to see what we come up with next. Love ya, Deb. So touched. Let's see what's in here. Really, she's really cool. Look at how well packaged this is. I mean, fancy paper. Something from Leatherology. Oh, okay. And a big box. Again, it has her sticker on it and it says Drelux TV. So, okay, I keep hearing about Leatherology, but I've never tried them. So this is exciting to get the opportunity to try them, to see what they're about. It's a pink lipstick holder. Okay, I gotta take these off. It's a pink lipstick holder. This is so cool. I wish I had my bag. I put it away. My pink Chanel GST. I'm gonna pull that out though, because I think this is going to be almost like a perfect pink. So I will take her a picture of this next to my GST that she's referring to. Oh my gosh. Okay, what else is in here? Wow, I mean, you really took the time to personalize the gift, because that's so specific to me. That cup. Well, I'm sure people have that bag, but you know what I mean. Yeah, it's well thought out. Thank you. Okay, and this is the rest. This is what's in the second box. Oh, cool. It's a mug with her logo on it. Sip, relax. Sip, relax, reflect. That's genius. Wow, I like that. Cool. This is really cool. Oh, wait, I dropped something. More senior girl moments. Oh. I'm touched, Deborah. You are such a sweetheart. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm a coffee addict, so this will be used and abused. Literally. Thank you. Just blown away by the people I've met on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a long time, and it's really just a fun hobby for me. And I'm so appreciative of the opportunities and the friendships and the people I've met on this journey. And I'm all about putting out into the world what you want to get out of the world. And so to meet people who for no reason would just send me a gift, I just really appreciate it. And wow, thank you so much. And then to kind of just add to that, because I just wanted to say that I've gotten new subscribers. I know my channel isn't very large or anything like that, and I know I'm not a niche channel. I have luxury, I have makeup, I have project panning, I have foundation reviews. I just film whatever I want to film. And maybe it means I put out content that people are interested in. Whatever. I just have fun. I liked YouTube because I liked people sitting and talking into a camera, and I figured, hey, I can do that. So here I am. But I just wanted to say thank you to my new subscribers and people who've recently met me and joined me on my journey. I really appreciate it. I'm just full of gratitude right now, and not just to Drelux and all the other people I've met, but just in general. Sometimes I guess I feel kind of like, not disappointed, but sometimes I'm like, you know, why isn't things bigger or better, or why aren't, I don't know, I just sometimes doubt why. I just sometimes doubt why I'm on here and doubt myself, I guess. And then something like this comes along where someone I've never met in person, I think we might have emailed, but mainly we communicate through Instagram and through each other's videos, and I'll link our collaboration videos. But for someone who I just met through this forum to send me something, it's really kind of cool. It's like, oh, alright, great. Thank you. So, yeah, guys, check out my girl Drelux TV. She's really cool, and I know exactly which lipstick I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put it in my Charlotte Tilbury Birkin Brown, which I'm wearing right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put that sucker in this baby. It's gonna be great. I guess I'll have to pull out my pink Chanel GST all over again. I used it last week and I was back to Old Faithful, which is my never full, but I guess I'll have to pull the GST back out again, and I will. Thanks, Deborah. Thanks, new subscribers. Thanks for joining in. I'm really chuffed. Bye.